This is the Nextorch Pioneer MT20, and it has one of the coolest tools I've seen on a multi-tool. It's a dedicated zip tie cutter. This is a 120-pound rated zip tie. Cutting it like it's butter. This has 15 tools and it's built like a tank. It's solid. Look how thick those shears are. You get shears and needle nose pliers. And with these pliers, they actually meet at the tip. You get replaceable wire cutters. With any multi-tool, you get a knife, and this one has a liner lock. You also get a saw blade on this side, also a liner lock. On this side, here's your flathead. You also get a strap cutter. Back on this end, you get a glass breaker. I still can't get over these shears. Super easy every time.